Yep, it's 5:30 in the morning, 20 to 6 already. I'm going to get ready to ride to the office. Here is everything ready. I'm going to get Strava here 53 kilometers this week. Mountain bike center from Trimble Outdoor. This month 316 kilometers here in February until now. I'm going to make a new, these are all my rides here. I'm going to make a new ride, waiting for the signal. Here I'm going to input Strava. Everything should be ready here. I have one more flashlight here. This one is also a good one here. Have enough for the night time. Yes, that's enough light, huh? I'm ready for tonight. Yes, I'm getting ready here. It's 6 and start. Okay, we are ready to go. GPS have, yes, very good signal. Let's go. Map done. Misty in the morning. I'm just going to collect their breakfast. It's fresh in the morning. Here against a month. Getting breakfast. Again monks. So dogs. Here of course we have to go left as usual. Very misty this morning. Nice. What? 6:45 now. 6:45 a.m. Misty morning. Nice biking in this condition. Yeah, left again. Of course. And here, right again. Of course, because down here you can go to the park, Brookside Valley. Here we go to the park, and it seems there's an event going on at the park. 20 kilometers as usual till the park. Arriving at the park now. Small downhill here, 31 kilometers per hour. Still misty this morning, very nice. Here left again. That's Wang Chan Ban Lang Road. Ban Lang Rayong straight. We go right here, of course, direction Ban Khai. This is coming to Chakapuk, 10 kilometers to Ban Khai, coming to the Luak Deng Rayong route. Here, of course, I have to turn left a little bit and then right again. Now turn left. 3138 road, Luak Deng Rayong, Canal. Turn right here to this is Ban Khai, in fact, but I'm going to direction Nikhon Patana. Ban Khai here, turn left, then left again, again a canal here, and then over there turn right to Nikhon Patana. You see, right to Nikhon Patana, less than 20 kilometers. Nikhon Patana, the right Luak Deng again. This is Nikhon Patana. Now I have to go left, and then about 5 kilometers I reach my destination, the factory, my office. Rayong Industrial Park. We turn left here. That's my destination. 60 kilometers. And reach the destination. You see Polymus? That's my target, my destination. I'm here. Yeah. I'm here. Almost on time. 60 kilometers. And I need a coffee now. Oof. Nice ride. 60.4 kilometers in 2 hours 40 minutes with Trimble Outdoor. Looks okay. Strava 60 kilometers and 2 hours 51, but 2 hours 51 that's including the stops, so that will be reduced. And the Mondo, that is wrong, with only 59.4 kilometers, because the odometer shows 60.1 kilometers, and that is correct. The timing is 2 hours 36 minutes, which is correct here. 2 hours 40, so that's about correct. Six p.m. 10 minutes. I'm in Ban Lang, going direction Tapong. nice temple here. I don't know the name of it, but I like this road here in zigzag. Now I am tired, my legs hurt. 110, 111 kilometer. This one is 110. Correct is 111. This one has, I stopped by error. 60 and 53 is 113 kilometer.